Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Acceptance and creation. Comparison should give us reason to choose and create. However, it should never be an outlet for feeling superior over another. For some people, something is positive. For others, it's considered negative. For one nation, something is great. For another nation, it's mundane. There is no superiority. There is only contrast and preference. There is only what we choose to be and create. There is only one in many different forms, which all has a place for the expansion of humanity. Don't condemn. Just be and allow others to be who they choose to be, wherever they choose to do so. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you to think about 3 things you're grateful for in your life right now. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things. I am grateful for my wife. I'm very grateful for a new computer. And I'm grateful to have had a lot of help to get that computer. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.